How to log in to Chase credit card account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Chase credit card account. In order to log in to your Chase credit card account online, first of all you will need to open any web browser on your device. And in the search bar, you need to type chase.com. After you enter this keyword, press the enter button and then you will be taken to the official website of Chase credit card. Once you are on this home page, you will find sign in section at the right side. Here you need to input your username and password. In this first field, you need to enter your username and in the second field, you need to enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password here. You may also click on this little square ahead of Remember Me if you want your username to be remembered for future logins. Also, if you have forgotten your username or password and couldn't log into your account, you may click on this Forgot Username and Password option below the sign-in box and then you need to follow the instructions to recover or reset them. Also, if you don't have an account yet, you can click on this Not Enrolled Sign Up Now section just below Forgot Username and Password and then you need to follow the prompts to set up your online account. So after entering all the details, click on the sign in button and then you will be able to access your account. After accessing your account, you can manage your card, view statements and make payments. So by following these steps, you should be able to log in to your Chase credit card account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.